Hereby recognize.
Mr. Speaker, my dear colleagues, initiating an impeachment case is not part of our ordinary work. Not every Congress we hold a high official accountable. Not every Congress we conduct hearings to determine probable cause. Not every Congress we write articles of impeachment. But this Congress, we answer the call of our people in our Constitution. And while we are doing the task, we are called names. Maleta, Crocs, Baklang Nyiwi. Our integrity was questioned. Paldo na naman, marami daw nag-withdraw ng boto, Congress na bahag ang buntot. We are subjected to mockery and legal harassment. Ginawa tayong memes that were AI-generated, all in the name of doing our sacred constitutional duty. Pero bukas tayo sa mga pang-uusig, bukas tayo sa mga pangungutya, bukas tayo sa mga katulad nating inip na sa katotohanan. At habang nandito tayo sa Kongreso, nasaan si Inday Sara? Naka-travel leave. Naglalakwat siya sa Netherlands, Korea, Belgium, Germany at UK. Sa ilang araw ng pagdinig natin ng impeachment sa komite, hindi man lang siya ayos sinipot. She did not even give an ounce of respect to this eminent constitutional process. Betrayal of public trust, culpable violation of the Constitution, bribery, graft and corruption, and other high crimes. These grounds are no joke, no joke. They don't deserve, we don't deserve VP no-show. As we vote yes this historical afternoon, we are reminding the Filipino people what a public official should be. When asked bakit natin ito ginagawa, we answer because we are raising the standard of public office. Sinasabi natin hindi ganito ang gusto nating leader. Ayaw natin sa leader na bilyonarya pala, pero hindi nagdedeklara. Ayaw natin sa leader na nagbabanta ng pagpatay sa harap ng media. Ayaw natin sa leader na kumukubra at naglalabada ng pera mula sa droga. Mr. Speaker, my dear colleagues, 69% ng mga Pilipino ang gustong harapin ni Sara Duterte ang lahat ng aligasyon laban sa kanya. The numbers do not lie. The majority of Filipinos want to start the impeachment trial, and they want to start it forthwith. Who are we to stand in their way? Hindi tayo dapat matinag sa nangyaring Senate coup. Hindi tayo magpapasindak sa mga bababatas sa supporter ni VP Sara na bigla na lang magpapakita at magtatantrum sa plenary. Pare-pareho silang managot. Simula na ang paglilitis. Convict Sara now. Akbayan votes? Yes.
Majority Leader.